So the best bang you're going to get out of your house today, if you're looking at selling it, is doing updates. Updating your lighting, updating your faucets. And guess what? We were given a faucet to update. Now this faucet is a gold. Now gold right now is hot. And so if you get that. Now, not only is this just a faucet, but I cannot wait to show you this part when it's done. Yes, that's how it sits, like this. Has a rainfall that comes out. We're gonna get this old one out, we're gonna get this new one in, and show you what it looks like. Okay, as you can see, faucet is missing. Before we put this in, I wanted to show you a few things. Number one, it is color coded, if you can see this. One of them is silver and red, which stands for the hot water, and one of them is silver with blue stripe, and that is the cold water. Also, this one right here, this is the supply line that feeds this. Now, when you're looking at this, there's a mark right here. Now, this mark is where you would take and you would put this weight right above this mark. This mark is supposed to show right before the curve that it goes back up because it connects right to here. So you want to put that weight close to that mark so that it keeps this completely inside of it and secure. So stay with us. We're going to get this put in. Okay, now as you can see, we have it in the single hole configuration. It does come with this. Now this is, if you had two other holes right here, this would cover over both. This would sit on top of it. So you can go from a 3-hole to a single hole pretty quickly. Also, another thing that it gives you is it gives you this little blue key. Now this little blue key, if you look at it, is the aerator key. It goes right up inside of here, and you can unscrew the aerator and be able to clean it if you get a bunch of trash behind it. Now, we've got it set up, and the water is on. And as you can see, bada boom, comes out really nice. It has a different feature to it also. It has a clean feature. So like if you were washing a pot and there was some stuff stuck in there, or maybe had just a little bit of goop in there that you wanted to get out, you could take this and use it and really spray awful hard in there. Now, the feature that I think everybody's going to like the most is this one. It is a rainfall type of deal. Now, this is really cool because you can use this in a lot of different modes. You can use this to wash off fruits and vegetables, maybe even blanch some deal, or you can even, if you needed to, you could wash a baby with this. Be able to set it up there and have soft water running across it. Because I know a lot of people that really take their time and wash them in the sink when they're first born because it's kind of hard to get them in and out of a bathroom. So if you are looking for a gold finish that is today's rage, get you one of these.